In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently insert a parallel to symbol into your Microsoft Word document. If you're working on a mathematical or geometrical document and need to incorporate this symbol for clarity, you've come to the right place. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to seamlessly add it to your Word file with just a few clicks. Let's dive right in. First, begin by opening the Microsoft Word file where you need to insert your parallel to symbol. Make sure you have your document ready so we can get started right away. With your document open, take a moment to locate the ribbon at the top of the program window. You'll see various tabs like Home, Insert, and so on. For this task, you'll want to click on the Insert tab. Once you're in the Insert tab, take your eyes to the section where there are options for adding different elements to your document. Look for the option labeled Equation. It's typically towards the right side of the ribbon. Go ahead and click on Equation, and you'll notice that an equation box conveniently appears where your cursor is located in the document. Now that you have the equation box open, look at the top of your window where several options for inserting symbols should have appeared. We're going to change our focus from basic math to something more specific to our needs. You should see a drop-down menu under the Symbols group. Change it from Basic Math to Geometry. This change will give us access to a broader range of symbols used primarily in geometric expressions. With the geometry set of symbols now active, you can begin looking for the symbol you need, parallel to. Simply check through the list of symbols until you find the parallel line symbol. Once you spot it, click on it to insert it neatly into your document wherever your cursor is placed. And that's it. You're done. You've successfully inserted a parallel to symbol into your Word document without a hitch. As a quick tip, remember that you can always use the same process to insert other mathematical symbols by navigating through the different symbol categories provided under the Equation tool. By mastering this simple technique, you've added a valuable tool to your document editing skills, which can be especially helpful for students, educators, or professionals dealing with mathematical texts. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your work in Microsoft Word a little easier.